Hello, I'm Mary Ann Shallcross Smith, known to most as Dr. Daycare in Rhode Island. I'm the mother of 3 adult children and 4 grandchildren, and I've been in early childhood profession for over 41 years. And in this video, I am going to give you great tips on how to toilet train your child. Keep it simple. You just wake up one day, you're going to read a couple of stories to your child about potty training, and actually in an early childhood setting, you really need to get the teachers on board. Let them know that's happening so they can compliment you. If you're doing it at home, you definitely want to be done in preschool too, or the toddler room, depending on how old your child is. Your child wakes up in the morning, it's time for potty training. You read the books to them last night. The first thing you want to do when you go to the crib and get them is say, it's potty training day and we're going to go to the bathroom together. Together, have your child help you take off their diaper and dispose of their diaper and clean them. Have them sit on the potty chair, and you might want to have the potty book there for them to read to them so they can go over the process. Be patient, mom and dad. Even if they sit on that toilet for less than a minute, you need to praise that pot. It's very important because they came to the potty chair, they sat on the potty chair, and now they might be ready to get up. And don't tell them to stay there. Let them get up, let them get used to it, and praise them for that part of toilet training. Child has just sat on the potty seat for 30 seconds. Reinforce that. Yay, absolutely. Dad, mom, brother, sister, you want to have them dance around the house. That is very, very important. I highly suggest you just reinforce with a hug, you reinforce with a sticker, or you reinforce with everybody dancing around the house. Children love it when you're all clapping and cheering on, and that's the most reinforcement you'll ever give a child because they're going to feel it all the way down to their toes. Within 10 to 15 minutes after all that excitement, you want to bring your child back to the potty seat. And once again, have them sit on the potty seat and just have them sit there and relax. And you need to stay with them. You need to talk to them. This is a team effect, mom and dad. You need to be there with them every moment of the time. And once again, if they just sit there for 1 minute and they get up, jump around, put the stickers on, and everybody is excited. Now, I would be involved to really kind of get them to stay on the seat, the potty chair for a little bit of time. But some kids just don't want to. They're going to get up and they're going to run off. As a parent, you need to make that decision. You're teaming up with the child care that you're in. The child care says the child's ready. You're ready. And you just need to bring your child back and say, let's try this again. And for every moment that they spend on that potty chair, you really just need to cheer them on. One of the most important things about potty training is consistency. So you got the child care involved in the training of your child. You're involved in potty training your child at home. It's really very important, probably for the first day, that your child is put on the toilet at least every 15 to 20 minutes. Over and cycle and over. Once again, if they go into the toilet, you positively really want to give them an extra sticker. If they just sit there and get up, you're just positively going to reinforce them for sitting there. A lot of this just really has to do with positively reinforcing the child. Sooner or later, what will happen is something will dribble out and they will be so excited. At that point, you're going to do backflips. And if they feel comfortable, because some children do and some children don't, have them be able to flush that. And the most important part, I need to say, don't forget to make sure your child washes their hands before they go to the bathroom and wash their hands after they go to the bathroom. And it's very important as a parent that you wash your hands with them, or a teacher washes their hands with them at all times. You're going to know when it comes together, when all of a sudden something comes out of their body, whatever. Number 1 or number 2. It's very important that you use the same words. The child has to use the same words at home as they would use in school. But the minute that comes out of their body and they see it and you hear it, you need to cheer that on. You need just to totally cheer that on. And the minute the child is able to look at what came out of their body, and they're going to be just as surprised as you are. And trust me, once you get to that step in toilet training, you have now taken a giant step and you're well on your way. Because now your child knows what it feels like, now your child knows what it looks like, and now your child knows that they have your support. It's probably going to take weeks and sometimes months before your child is really toilet trained throughout the night. I highly suggest you continue to put diapers on your child. One of the best signs to realize it's time to eliminate diapers is when your child wakes up for 3 consecutive mornings dry. So after 3 consecutive mornings together, once again, it's a team approach. You can tell your child, let's go to the trash and throw away your diapers, and actually take your diapers in the boxes that you have or whatever, and put them away and say, we have put them away. There's no more diapers in this house. I appreciate and thank you for listening to How to Toilet Train Your Child. And in the next video, I'll go over some of the challenges you might have as a parent, which most parents do have challenges, and together we can get through them.